Welcome back to my 8th episode on my welding channel. And in today's episode, I will be making a holder on my, come out here. I washed my welding cart. I blew it off and took everything off and wiped it down. As you can see, it was really dirty and it really needed it. And I'm gonna be making a holder for this. It's gonna be a simple one to where I'm gonna put a piece of metal and just weld it to where it'll stay somewhere on my cart. So I'm gonna go look for the piece of metal that I would cut with this. So I found this scrap piece of metal that I used for another project, and I just clamped it down here because I don't really want my helmet right here, because this is where I'm doing most of my work right there. So I kind of went off the side and I measured it and I like it, so I'm just gonna keep it. And I don't think I'm gonna need to cut it unless I really need to. Maybe right there, so it's not sticking out so much. So I'm just gonna go and cut it right now. I just finished cutting it right here. I didn't film it because it was a easy, fast cut. But now I'm gonna be grinding away at that, and also at the spot that I'm gonna be welding it, which is underneath here, so that I can weld it. Just finished grinding it, and now I'm gonna go and weld it. Just finished welding it, and the wind knocked down my camera. So if in the time lapse you saw it fall and come back, that's why. But I don't know if you can see, but I did good on that side and bare on that side. But I'm gonna go clean it right now. I just finished cleaning it. I don't know if you guys can see if it'll focus, but I did it actually way better than I thought I would have. But that is it for this episode. So if I just test it, yeah, it works. I wouldn't it, but that is it for this episode. In the next episode, I also, in between clips, I got some nuts and bolts, if you guys can see in there. There we go, if you guys can see it. But those are going to be 2 snowmans. I think I'm going to make 2 snowmans in the next episode, so be looking toward that too. This episode is actually part 9. I'm making this one before I'm done with part 5, finishing up the snowman. So I thought it was part 8 when it's really part 9. So yeah, just saying.